Okay, go. Good day, sir. We are Resarone and Company. Today, we're going to discuss the polygraph test entitled False Positives and False Negatives Due to Nervousness. I'm Gerald Early Pacoy.
And I am Mark Jun T. Resarone.
I'm Rick Angela.
And I am Leah LC.
I am Crizel May Barba.
And I am Regina Barate.
Okay. First that we tackle is what is polygraph test. A legal definition of polygraph test. Polygraph test measures physiological responses to detect deception and truth. In layman's term, or in binisaya pa nga inistoryahan, mo din ang test or pagsulay, pagtesting sa usa ka tawo kung namutbut ba siya o nagsulti ba siya tinuod. And then, ang indicators ani kung mo conduct ani nga test, na dito mo sulod ang kining pneumograph, cardiosphemograph, and galvanograph. Ano siya ang heart rate, examine ang heart rate, ang blood pressure, respiration, and skin conductivity.
False positive and false negative. False positive, incorrectly identifying an innocent person as deceptive. So, in false negative is, ang person is innocent siya but due to anxiety or like so mahimo siyang ang kuan sa polygraph is ma-deceptive yang kuan sa polygraph. So, next is false negative, incorrectly identifying a deceptive person as innocent. So, ang kinipod is deceptive siya but kung maayo siya mo kuan siya ang responses bitaw is ang result sa polygraph is lahi, mahimo nino siyang innocent hinoon. So, nervousness impact, anxiety can mimic deception responses leading to false positive and false negative. So, ang kining nervousness impact diay is pag kanang nervous ka is dili siya makuha ang sa polygraph ba is dili siya mag-meet bitaw sa kanang atong gipangita gyud nga result. So, ang kanina yung polygraph is dili gini siya diay kanang 100% nga ma-identify na to gyud tanan nga deceptive ba siya or nagsulti ba siya tinuod.
Case study nervousness as a factor. Example, a truthful individual with anxiety may show elevated physiological responses leading to false negative. So, kini siya if ang tao is inosente but naa siya anxiety, so mag-show lang gihapon siya og physiological responses og leading to false negative. Next, implication. High stakes situation can exacerbate nervousness, affecting test accuracy.
So, challenges and limitations. Base rate problem. Low base rates of guilt increase false positive rates. So, if kana nga tawo is nag-undergo siya og test, dayon kalma ra siya, dayon ang nigawasan na is false positive even if kanang nagbinutbot siya, even if guilty siya. Kanang kabalo siya mo dala, nga inana, kabalo siya mo relax siyang self. So, ang mugawas jud ana is false positive rates. So, countermeasures, techniques to manipulate test results can affect validity. So, kanipod is, kuana siya gigamit ani nga mga techniques, nga ang mo resulta ra gihapon sa test is false positive. Inana. Tas, professional trainings. Skilled examiners are crucial for accurate interpretations.
So, in conclusion, the summary, nervousness significantly impact polygraph test accuracy, leading to false positives and negative. So, sa conclusion, ang nervousness is significantly impact, so dako ka siya impact sa polygraph test accuracy. So, ang kakulba is maghahatag na to og result sa polygraph test leading to false positives and negatives.
So, recommendation. Improving methodologies and understanding limitations. This outline provides a concise overview of how nervousness affects polygraph test results, focusing on false positive and negatives. So, that's all for today's video. Thank you. Bye-bye.